ka inalain parliament ILP ka batumbu ban khanglat ya ka jingwan dum kerthep ki brio na shabat ka jala kadang dei kamat yekren ka barang sakut sa hakame kitrat kampoyeng ka sarkar India mentala jan arsnem kumon sikudo ba ya ka resolution bandawa nak sarkar India ban petrikam ya ka ILP haka jala la menjur da ka yeng da war thawan haka khandai tri unopra araja ka khandai hendrai hadu menta ki jubab halo ka ILP na ka sagor India kilong bait dang examen haka si khadu ka dorbar sunrai jong ka yeng da war thawan ka jala megalia haka khatnyu tri unailur arajar atpuai kalami kamat yakran halo ka ILP na ka jingwanra kaliang persya ya kamat yatai lingkot short duration discussion halo ka jingko basin syar khadar haka jala kaliang persya kalabu jingkeli balai ke sarkar India hadu menta kampala banjubab sai halo ka jingdawan petrika me ka ILP bat ka ei ka bak sarkar jala klale ban penbor ka sarkar India banjubab halo ka ni kamat bala menjur dak yeng dabar tawan menteri rang bat Conrad ke sangma haba jubab halo ka tei ka benta dak ba nujor ka jingtrei ka sarkar senrap hapo ka jilam ka kongres hakisnam baladam bat menta hak jilam ka NPP uluong badai ka sarkar senrap balailam da kongres kepala persya ya ka jingtmu petrika me ka ILP menteri rang ba ulak theri kaliang persya dak ba penken mau ya ka jingkran Dr Mukul Sangma menteri rang ba ka jala haus nam arja khat lai uluong ba ka sarkar jala kamkwa ya ka ILP bat ong ba kin om ya kran ru halo ka ILP.
Sir, in terms of the issues that were there, I heard a lot of voices of people mentioning about the ILP. What has this government done about the ILP? Why aren't you moving with Government of India for the ILP? Why aren't you serious about the ILP? Sir, in 27th of November 2013, there was a statement from the then Chief Minister. And the statement goes, 2013, sir, the government does not want ILP. We will not have discussion on ILP. How many times have we discussed the issue? This is a statement made by the then Chief Minister in 2013 regarding ILP. But it was this government that agreed to discuss this matter, moved a resolution and passed it. And today now the opposition comes in and asks, what are you doing? Sir, their stand was very clear. They said we don't want ILP. There will not be ILP. But it is this government that took the initiative, we passed a resolution, and we are following up. It shows the intent of this government and the seriousness we have regarding the ILP issue. So don't point fingers at us when you know what your stand was earlier.